Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Windows keyboard shortcut, and I'm gonna show you the demo. Why Windows shortcut? Windows shortcut will save a lot of time for you and also make your life easier. Please keep watching. My first Windows shortcut would be Windows plus R. Press Windows logo button on the keyboard and R together. That will bring up the run command. And for this shortcut, there are different purpose. For example, I bring that DOS command prompt, so all I need to type is CMD, click OK. Next up would be Windows plus M. I'm just gonna open up my notepad. Simply press Windows logo on your keyboard and M together, and that will minimize that. Any window is open, using that command you can minimize that instead of clicking on that minus sign. Next up, Windows plus L. Windows plus L will log you off the system, or you can switch to a different account if you have multiple accounts on your computer. Next up, I'm just gonna log in. Would be Windows plus I. I is in India. So I'm just gonna press Windows logo on the keyboard and I together. That will bring the Windows settings. You can go to devices, system, and you can go to network, internet, and so on. Next up would be Windows plus E. Simply press Windows logo and E together. That will bring the Windows File Explorer. So you can go to this PC, then you can search any file you want. Next up would be Windows plus H. What Windows plus H does is it will work as a voice to text. Those of you who are don't like typing a lot, so you can use that option. So you're just gonna talk and it's gonna type automatically. Let's see how you do it. I'm just going to show you the demo right now. I'm just going to open up a WordPad. And then I'm going to click Windows logo and H together. Hello. As you can see right here, click on here. Hello. So this is how you do it. Just gonna close that up. Next up, Windows plus V. That will show the hidden icons. Simply press Windows logo on your keyboard and V together. As you can see right here, show hidden icons. Sometimes they're hidden, so if you want to see that, you just need to press Windows plus V, then you can see the hidden icons. Cool, right? Next up, Windows plus dot. When I say plus, I meant to say like Windows and press like dot together, like simultaneously. So that brings up the emoji. You can use that on a text, whatever. That's a built-in program in the Windows 10, I believe. Next up, Windows plus sign. Windows so that will bring the magnifier. See? And there's other ways to find File Explorer. So I don't know whether you guys are familiar with that or not. That would be Windows and 1 together. Just press Windows and 1 together, then that will bring up the File Explorer, as I showed you before in a different way, which was like, I believe, Windows plus E. So next up, Windows plus 2. That will bring up the Microsoft Store, where you can download the apps or games. Windows and 3 together, that will bring this PC. This PC for Windows 10 and my computer for Windows 7. Next up, Windows plus X. That will bring the shutdown and sign out. Over here you can sign out and shut down. You can restart your computer, and you can also put your PC on sleep. Next up, I'm just going to open up one program, for example Notepad, and I want to close it using the keyboard shortcut instead of using a mouse. So I'm just going to press like Alt and F4 together, then it'll close. So that's all I have for today, and I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and smash the like button. And if you know any other Windows shortcut, please share in the comment down below. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for watching.